Hello YouTube, this right here is my 1988 Toyota pickup with a 22R in it. Y'all want to hear how it sounds? Let's hear how it sounds. Here, let's see if I can sit this down. Listen, y'all. Sounds pretty good. Yes. Oh wait, this thing zoomed in. There we go. Here, let's pop. Here, let me pause this thing. Well, let me correct myself. It has a 22RE in it. That's under the hood. Sounds good. Good sound. Sound good. Well, putting her up for today. There we go. That's my Toyota. She ain't very much, but she's something. See you later, YouTube.